And welcome to another episode of paid campaign review and optimization suggestion critique. You can say in this kind of episode, I'm showing the journey from paid visitor into a lead and giving my optimization suggestions. Basically, my goal is to help you generate more qualified leads faster. For those who don't know me, my name is Guy Alfia, and I'm a marketing and sales funnels expert. I help companies to scale into 8 figures and beyond using advanced marketing and sales automation. And in this episode, I will review, Flightmap. Let's see. Okay, so more strategic portfolio. I don't know what this means. See how Flightmap can help. Apply for your personal free demo account. Okay. I'm not so sure about the targeting. I don't think there is any. I'd like to get strategic customers, of course, but I don't know what this means. Strategic portfolio. Okay, so let's see it. From copy perspective, the click-through rate. If it's good, then great. If it's not, you should definitely improve it. Okay, so it's a landing. It's not a landing page. I think it's the website. Yep, it's the website. Okay, so if you sending traffic to paid traffic to don't say paid traffic into a website, send them into a landing page. It's looked like a landing page. This is good, but it's those URLs. If I'm going to click on it, I'm going to you can say get lost in the website in other distractions. So I would suggest to remove this top level navigation, and let's check the form itself. Okay, so the second thing, there aren't any UTMs here. So this means if you are tracking your website via Google Analytics, you will not see any paid traffic easily in the UTMs. I guess of course, it's like other ways to say that the traffic, but for this specific page, the UTMs would have more easily to get from which exactly location I would like from LinkedIn and which ad I clicked on those kind of things. So UTMs fix it. Free demo. Okay, happy to answer questions. So there is like a PDF, and it's opening a new tab, which is okay. Privacy is okay, GDPR and all of that. Okay, so this is it. It's like a very short copy. I would suggest to increase the font size, to give more bullets, to emphasize more about, I don't have like questions, and I don't know about anything about Flightmap. So first of all, if you are driving traffic, cold traffic into this page, you should definitely give an explanation about Flightmap, what it's do, what's the benefits, and all those kind of things. A video, bullets, before driving cold traffic to ask for a free demo. And I don't know what is Flightmap. I don't know any about the features and the use case and all those kind of things. So the chances for me to become a lead is very, very slim. Again, I don't know Flightmap conversion rate. So if it's really, really good, then I guess they know what they're doing. But if it's not, which I don't think so, you should definitely make some improvement in the copy. Okay, so let's check the form. Request the demo, the name. I don't know about their CRM, but in my experience, based in most cases, it's more easier to separate between first name and last name, especially when you're using like an email. If you want to create like a custom email, like instead of if my name is Guy Alfia and I'm gonna say hi Guy Alfia, I know it's like who using this the surname in the email, unless it's very like formal. Function, I don't know about what's the function. Is this my job title? If so, just make it easier for me to comprehend. My organization, company name is like more easier to understand. It's more standard than organization. Countries, okay. I would suggest the drop down, mobile phone number. You're going right straight to the throat. No, I don't know about how many people are going to give you their mobile phone number. You should just ask a phone number, generic, and the phone number that's going to give you, it's going to be satisfied enough. The email is, I would suggest to add a business email because I'm pretty sure you're targeting B2B because no customers are going to be interested in this kind of thing. So I would suggest enter the business email. You don't have to enforce it. There are advantages for using generic emails. And if I have the time, I will, and remember, I will go through it. But basically, you should ask, okay, reason for instance. So I love segmentations in the form. This is very, very important. Involved in tool selection process, research, console. Okay, so and other, what's going to happen? So if you're adding an other field, you should have, and again, I don't know the system that they're using. And if you having in the checkbox, the drop down other, you should have like an automatically an open field of what is the other. If not, you should add other, give description in the message or something like that. Portfolio contacts. So there are a lot of options. Again, nothing going to happen in that. So there are two segmentation fields, which is very, very good, especially if you're having like a funnel dedicated for this specific reason and this specific context. The messages. So I'm going to send a request. Okay, so the mandatory fields are name, organization, phone number, and email. Because I already filled these kind of things. So I guess everything is, we said the message. I would suggest to request, okay, I would still suggest like for GDPR compliance to have some kind of a checkbox that you agree to the privacy, whatever. I'm not a lawyer, and I think this is like, should be a mandatory thing. So let me fill in the form and see what's going to happen on that. Thank you page. Okay, I think it's continuing to record. So after I finish filling the form, I'm still on this specific page without any thank you page. I just don't see the form. So again, from optimization, you should give a thank you message, give me some kind of indication it's what was successful, and to give a next step for what is the next logical step or the next action you want the lead to take before seeing the demo, seeing a video, seeing like customer success testimonials, whatever, to get more maybe like a reason to schedule a meeting by myself. I help a very big customer to do it, and it's really, it was the success rate. The conversion rate from lead to meetings was really, really good with that, in compare without it. So from time I'm okay. Okay, so this was it. Map. And if you enjoy this episode, please like, share it. If you want, please let me know what you think on the comments below. And if you need help with your conversion rate from lead to customer, or the time it takes to convert a lead into customer, maybe I can help you. Send me a message on LinkedIn, and I hope you enjoyed seeing this video, and take care.